Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making the spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hi everyone, look at all these Christmas cookie cutters. Ooh, look at this one. It's a reindeer, a candy cane, and a Christmas tree. Let's make some Play-Doh crafts with them. We're going to start with this white Play-Doh to make the candy cane. Remember, we gotta roll it out. We have a cool roller. It's green, just like our background. My Play-Doh always sticks to the roller. I'm not sure how to fix that. Alright, so let's get our candy cane. Here it is. We have to press it down. My background today is a little bit wobbly, so I apologize for that. But anyway, you gotta take off all the extra Play-Doh and press it down again just to make sure it's all good. And when you lift it, you should have your little mold. It's gonna look really cool. Look at this. It's a candy cane, but it's a little boring, so why don't we make it a little more fun? I'm going to leave my candy cane right here, and watch what I'll do next. I'm going to add stripes to it. They're going to be red and white. So here's one of the stripes. I had to put it into the mold individually, and then you take them out slowly and place them on the candy cane. The nice thing about Play-Doh is that it sticks together, so you can really mold it. Okay, all the red stripes are done. This looks great. And now we're going to add the white stripes. It's just the same process. Okay, our candy cane is done. It looks so good. Time for our next cute Christmas Play-Doh creation. This Play-Doh is brown. What are we going to make now? Oh, look, it's the reindeer. Okay, let's press down our mold. Remember, it has to be really hard so that way everything comes out. And then, as always, we're going to take out all the extra Play-Doh. We can make something else with it. Alright, press down again and then take off your mold and let's see. Here's our cute little reindeer. He's all brown, but I think we can add one more thing to him. How about we give him a red nose? Look at this. Who could this be? I think it's Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Look how adorable.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw him, you would even say it glows.
Oh, hey, look, some of our friends from Sesame Street are here. We've got Oscar, Elmo, Cookie Monster, and Big Bird. And now we have our next mold. It's a Christmas tree. Let's make this Play-Doh creation. Okay, our Play-Doh is now rolled, and now we have our cookie mold. It's the tree. Let's press it down and take out all the extra Play-Doh. Okay, again, we want to press it down a little more, and then when we take it off, be careful. All right, oh, see, some of it's not all the way molded, so let's keep pressing. Okay, this should be all right. Oh, perfect. Okay, now you want to see some magic? Look, a blue bell, a red stocking, and a yellow star. That is cool. Let's take a closer look. Wow, this looks really good. Oh man, I love it. Look, the bell, the stocking, and the star. Wow, all our Play-Doh creations look so amazing. Let's take a closer look. This looks great. I hope you can try it at home. You can practice and use any colors you'd like, even on the candy cane. There's our Rudolph, and here is our tree. I hope you have a great Christmas. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!